the recovered sample exhibiting unusual density and internal luminescence. Initial visual inspection reveals a complex, interwoven lattice structure unlike any known terrestrial metal. Surface is cool to the touch, yet emits a faint, almost imperceptible vibration. Spectroscopic analysis. Results are inconclusive. The emission spectrum contains wavelengths not attributable to any element on the periodic table. There are faint repeating patterns within the data, almost like language. Further analysis is required. Density and mass measurement. Despite its seemingly low volume of 5 cubic centimeters, the sample registers a mass of 1.7 kilograms. This indicates an incredibly high density, far exceeding that of osmium or iridium. The implications for its origin are staggering. Attempted material manipulation. Applied focused ultrasonic frequencies and high-intensity magnetic fields. No discernible effect. The Nimbus Metallum remains inert. It's as if it exists outside our conventional understanding of physics. Another night, another vivid dream. This time, I was floating above the park. The merry-go-round was spinning silently, bathed in that eerie blue light. I could hear children's laughter, but there was no one there. Then, the metallic cloud, a swirling, intelligent-looking entity, rose from the ground and enveloped the swing set. The swing simply vanished. The feeling was one of profound unease, a sense of something fundamentally wrong with the fabric of reality. These dreams are so real, so visceral, it's unsettling how they mirror the witness testimonies. Could there be some form of psychic residue associated with the Nimbus Metallum? Or is my subconscious simply processing the bizarre data? Electron microscopy. The microstructure is even more perplexing than initially observed. The lattice isn't random. It appears deliberately constructed, with intricate pathways and what look like microscopic conduits. Could this be some form of advanced technology or something else entirely? Thermal analysis. Applying controlled heat. The sample absorbed a significant amount of energy with no change in temperature. It's as if the energy is being shunted somewhere or somehow stored. The dream tonight was different. I wasn't just observing, I felt connected. I saw the blue light focusing on the jungle gym, and then I experienced a strange sensation, like information flowing into my mind. Geometric patterns, complex equations that I couldn't consciously grasp, but felt I understood on some deeper level. The metallic cloud pulsed with a soft light, and I had the distinct impression that it was communicating. Communicating with me, this is becoming increasingly disturbing. Are these just dreams, or are they somehow influenced by the sample? Exposure to various electromagnetic frequencies. Again, no reaction from the Nimbus Metallum. It remains stubbornly unaffected by our attempts to interact with it. This level of inertness is itself an anomaly. Observation. I've noticed a subtle change in the lab environment since the introduction of the sample. A faint, almost imperceptible thrum that wasn't there before. My colleagues haven't reported anything, but I can sense it. A low-frequency resonance. The blue light was in my dream again. Closer this time, it felt probing. I saw the missing children, not as solid figures, but as shimmering outlines within the metallic cloud. They seemed integrated. This is beyond unsettling, it's terrifying. The equations from last night's dream are returning in fragments throughout the day, fleeting glimpses of impossible mathematics. I feel a growing sense of urgency, a need to understand what this thing is, what it's doing. But I also feel a deep primal fear. Am I getting too close? Is this affecting me in ways I don't yet comprehend? The line between my waking research and my dream life is blurring. I need to be careful. The administrator's warning. It feels more significant now, less like a standard precaution and more like a desperate plea. Wait, what happened? Gone. It's all gone. All my lab equipment, along with my research notes, including the Nimbus Metallum. Wait, something is left on my desk. It's a folder with an official-looking symbol. It says, for Maj.